This is a new host, Radhima, and today I'm going to tell you about, I'm going to share a few videos with you about these bikini stuff. I'm sorry I cannot really do the DIYs with you because, for doing the DIYs, you need to have one person record the whole thing, the whole process, how you actually cut the fabric and everything. But I'm all alone, I'm recording on my own, so I really won't be able to do it right now, but definitely I'm going to share a few DIYs with you later on, so I hope you people bear through it. Today I'm going to tell you about this particular bikini type, how different ways in which I can try this kind of, try as in tie out, wear this kind of bikini. Okay, so I selected this wine color because it goes good with my skin type. People will like it. So first of all, before going for any kind of bikini, what you need to understand is you should be comfortable in it. Like, not just bikini, any clothes. If you really want to wear any kind of clothes, just feel free. Like, you should be very comfortable in the outfit. So, you can be confident enough and you can carry it pretty well. I hope you people understand that. I hope you people are following me. So, after that, second step would be to understand your body type, like in which proportion your body is, so you can focus on particular parts where you can make it focus, so it doesn't look absurd or bad. It accentuates it magnifies your beauty, and you're able to carry it pretty well. So but then this thing I'm going to share with you in my next video. In this video I'm just going to tell you how I or you or people can just tie a bikini of this type in different ways. So first way, you can just see I'll just go through the whole panel thing. Like, this is a bikini, I have got these extra panel in it. Okay, so there are few ways in which, because of these panel, I can change the look of my bikini. Okay, so I'm going to tell you. The very first method is the way I was just tying it. Take these two panels, tie them at the back. These extra trims and tricks, they help you a lot. So after you've tied it to the back, this is the look. Okay, second way. This is the most simple one you can do. After this, do one thing. Take these two panels, you have to rotate them, twist them in front. Okay, just twist them in front and then tie them at the back. Oh my god, so this is a big time problem while doing a bikini thing. You open many of these. Okay, so in this one, because of the way I've tied it on, just makes my bust the focus, because this is something which is going down there in front. If you have a good cleavage or something, this will look gorgeous on you. So because it's going from the center to the front. There's one more way today I'm going to tell you in which you can actually make a focus over the bust, which is kind of asymmetric. To show you. Take these panels, take them to the back, okay? Give them a small twist over there, cross them at the back like a halter neck. You don't need to tie them, just cross them. So take this part and now tie it over here. I'm sorry, mine is going to be not very little messy, not very neat, because I don't have a mirror right now in front of me. when you're doing this, you need to have a mirror in front of you so you can do it pretty neatly, which is gonna look like really amazing. But I hope you do understand the gist of what I'm trying to tell you. So here, this is it. So now, it's kind of focusing, emphasizing on my bust. It's the focus over here. And I hope you people like what I just showed you. In my next video, I'm definitely going to tell you about the different type of body types and what kind of bikini would go good with it. So you people follow me, keep subscribing. If you have any queries, comments or anything, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'm definitely going to get back to you. This is your friend Ridhima signing off now. Bye bye, and I hope you loved the video. Bye bye.